Lovely morning to you all. Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. I am also fine. Children, are you following instructions given by your parents? Yes. Related to coronavirus. Wash hands. You have to wash your hands regularly with water and soap. Disinfect surfaces means clean your floor regularly. Disinfect hands means sanitize your hands regularly. Use face masks. Have you seen face masks? Yes, your parents are wearing. Yes, you also have to wear if you are going out. Use rubber gloves. Okay? Children, as we grow older, we learn to do many things by our own. Like brushing, bathing, cleaning our room, dusting, doing exercise regularly and so many things. But out of this, one most important thing is study. So don't forget children about study. Do your study at home. Okay? Okay children, are you happy to come to school? See, these children are happy to come to school. But because of COVID-19, you are not able to come to school. Now what we will do children? Yes, we will do study at home through online classes. So this is Kumudni Harude here. See my name? I am going to teach you EVS of class 2. Children, see this is your semester book. Yes? So I am going to teach you EVS of class 2 and what is the full form of EVS? Yes, the full form of EVS is Environmental Studies. In this subject, we will learn about our environment, nature, natural world and so many things like river, plants and trees, animal, water animals, birds, mountains and so many things. I know children, you are familiar with this subject. In class 1 also you have studied, yes? So what we have learned in class 1, that first we revise. What you learned first? Yes, what you have studied in class 1. That is about me. First of all tell me children, you know that you are a boy or a girl. See, he is a boy, he is telling I am a boy. She is a girl, she is telling I am a girl. So about me you have to learn about your parents' name, your parents' contact number, your grandparents' name, your school name and in which class do you study. Next is body part. Children, there are so many parts in our body. Each part is having different function and each part is very important for us. They all are doing work together. Let's revise some body parts. Eyebrow, see here. Eye, nose, chest, arm, hand, see hand, leg, toe, forehead, ear, mouth, stomach, knee, foot. One more time, see eyebrow, nose, eyes, chest, arm, hand, leg, toe, forehead, ear, mouth, stomach, knee, foot. All these are our main body part. The next is sense organ. Children, how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. By sense organ, we know the things around us. Suppose children, if your mother is making paratha, pav bhaji, how do you know that? What your mother is making? Yes, with the help of nose or by smell. Yes. So, ear, skin, eyes, nose and tongue are the five sense organs. Let's see its function. With the help of ear, we can hear. Yes, with the help of ear, we can hear. With the help of hand, with the help of skin, we can feel whether it is hot or cold. One most important thing, children, skin is the largest sense organ because in our body, everywhere skin is present. Next is eyes. With the help of eyes, we can see. We can see the beautiful world. With the help of nose, we can smell. Yes, I told now that if your mother is making paratha, how you can recognize what is making? So, with the help of nose, you can smell, and with the help of nose, you can breathe. Yes, that is also most important thing. With the help of tongue, we can taste sour, sweet, bitter things. The next is, children, clothes. What types of clothes do you wear, children? Yes, different types of clothes. Yes, like frock, skirt, lower, t-shirt, all types of. Yes, but according to season, we have to change our clothes. Yes, so in summer season, we are wearing cotton clothes or lightweight clothes. In winter season, we are using woolen clothes. In rainy season, we are using raincoat and umbrellas. And according to function also, we can change dresses. If you are going to party, you can wear party wear dress. If you are going to school, you are wearing school uniform. Yes, children? So according to function, according to season, you can change your dresses. The next is time to eat. Yes. Now we will talk about food. Yes. Food is most important part. Yes. Without food we cannot live. We need food to grow, be healthy, to get energy and work. Okay, children? So, eat always healthy food. Kids, healthy eating plate. Children, your plate should be like this. In this plate, vegetables, all types of vegetables should be there. Fruits, yes, all kind of fruits. Whole grain, healthy protein. Healthy protein means egg, milk, meat, fish. So many kinds of proteins are there. Water, plenty of water you should drink. Then you will become stay active. Yes, you should eat like this. Children, food is divided into 3 meals. Breakfast. We have breakfast in the morning. Lunch. We have lunch in afternoon. Dinner. We have dinner at night. So there are 3 main meals in a day. You should eat 3 times: breakfast, lunch and then dinner. Now the next is family. Children, tell me, are you living alone in your house? No, you are living with your family. You are living with some people or a group. Yes, so a family is a group of people who are related to each other. Small family. In this family, parents and 1 child or 2 children are there. This is small family. See, parents are there, 2 children are there. Next is big family. Here parents, 3 or 4 children will be there. See here 3 children are. Yes, so it is big family. The next is joint family. Here grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie, cousin and yourself are there. So this is joint family. So how many types of family are there, children? 3 main types of family. Small family, out page number 190. 190. Okay? See here, one girl is here. What is her name? Saina. It is her first day in her new school. She is introducing herself to her class teacher and to her new friends. How she will introduce? See. Hello friends. I am Saina. I am a girl. She is a girl. That's why she is saying I am a girl. If you are a boy, what you will say? I am a boy. I am 6 years old. She is 6 years old. That's why she is telling 6 years old. If you are 7-year-old, then you will say 7-year-old. My favorite fruit is mango. What she likes to eat in fruit? Mango, yes. I love playing cricket. She loves to play cricket. I enjoy reading books. What she loves? What she likes? Yes, she likes to reading books. Children, if there are 100 friends, it is equal to 1 book. Yes, book reading is very good for children and for everyone. Sing with your teacher. First we will read, then we will sing. I can comb my hair and fasten my shoelaces all by myself. I can wash my hands and wash my face all by myself. I can put my toys and books back in place all by myself. I know I have grown up. Let's sing, children. I can comb my hair and fasten my shoelaces all by myself. I can wash my hands and wash my face all by myself. I can put my toys and books back in place all by myself. I know I have grown up. Children, why they are saying like this? Because now they are grown up. See children, in your same page, your favorite things are given. You have to write your favorite things. Food, there are different types of food. Yes, street foods are there, junk food, and some are healthy food. What you should eat? Yes, you should eat healthy food like pav bhaji, paratha, vegetable, idli, sambar. Okay, I have written here pav bhaji. You can write your choice what you like. Vegetable, different types of vegetable are there. I know what children like most. Potato, tomato, pea, cauliflower, and so many. I have written here potato. Subject. There are 4 main subject children. English, Hindi, Maths, EVS. Which subject I am teaching you? EVS. I have written here EVS. Flower. There are different types of flower. Okay. I have written here rose because I like rose. You can write any other flower name. Season. There are 3 main seasons: summer season, winter season and rainy season. Now rainy season is going on. I have written here rainy season. You are making paper boat now? Yes, I like this. Rainy season, you can write any other season name. Fruit. Yes, I have written here mango. Why? Because it is the king of the fruit. Nowadays, so many mangoes are coming in the market. Color. It is also different types. Yes, pink color, red color, orange color. Okay, I have written here pink. Game. Games are of 2 types. Indoor games, outdoor games. Indoor games means which we can play inside the house like chess, carom, ludo and others. I have written here chess. Outdoor games means cricket, volleyball, basketball. Okay, but nowadays we cannot go out, so I have written here chess. Animal, because I like cat. Bird, I like peacock. It is the national bird. Yes. So I have written here peacock. If you want, you can write other name. One more time we will repeat, children, and you will repeat after me. Food, pav bhaji. Vegetable, potato. Subject, EVS. Flower, rose. Season, rainy. Fruit, mango. Color, pink. Game, chess. Animal, cat. Bird, peacock. Now children, we will see about myself. Yes, already we have discussed, but in previous class you learned about only spellings. Now in second class you will learn full sentence, a complete sentence of myself. If there are 4 children in front of me, I want to call one of them, then how I will call children? Yes, by their name. For that, we should know our name, how to write in complete sentence. See, there is one girl. What is her name? Her name is Geeta Agrawal. She is studying about herself, okay? And wherever she is writing her things, you will write about yourself. My name is Geeta Agrawal. What is her name? Geeta Agrawal. Listen class, when you will start sentence, you have to start with capital letter. In this M-Y, my, and this capital letter. My name is Geeta Agrawal. Geeta, G is capital, Agrawal is capital. At the end, you have to put full stop. Next is, I am 7 years old. Children, when you were in class nursery, how many candles you are using in your birthday cake? Yes, there were 3 candles. When you were in KG1 and KG2, there were 4 and 5 candles. When you were in class 1, there were 6 candles. Yes. Now this year you are in class 2. So how many candles you will put? 7 candles. It means you are 7 years old. So how you will write? I am 7 years old. You can write number also, or you can write number name also. I, you should start with capital letter, and at the end you have to put full stop. The next is, my father's name is Mr. Anil Agrawal. Here also remember children, start with capital letter, and Mr. Why we are putting here? Yes, because we are giving respect to our parents. Yes, when we will write our parents' name, we have to put Mr. and name also start with capital letter, Anil Agrawal. At the end, full stop. Again repeat, my father's name is Mr. Anil Agrawal. Next is my mother's name. Same thing is here, we will give respect, but we will write here Mrs. M-R-S. Okay, Mrs. Reena Agrawal. Okay children, R is also capital letter. At the end we will put full stop. Fifth, my class teacher's name is Mrs. Jyoti Soni. Yes, here it is whose class teacher? It is Geeta's class teacher name. Okay, you can write my name, Mrs. Kumudni Harode, as I told. Yes. The next is, I study in class 2. In first class you are getting good marks. Yes. And you are promoted. Yes. So now you are in class 2. So I study in class 2. Next, my school's name is St. Joseph's Convent School, Itarsi. Okay children, you should know, and you should know the spelling also of your school name. Now children, it's time to revise what we have learned. Okay, today's class, number 1, about me, means all about yourself. Number 2, my body parts, yes, its function. Sense organ, okay. Next is clothes, Yes, in different season, different types of clothes. Next is food. Yes. And sixth one is family. All these topics we have learnt in this class. Now children, homework. Learn and write all 7 points about yourself, including myself. In this what we have learnt? My name is, my father's name is, my mother's name is, my class teacher's name is. I study in class 2. All that points you have to write in your rough copy. Okay, clear? Okay, children? Thank you, children. Keep yourself healthy. Stay at home.